Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Katie, and today I am doing a really exciting haul. I just got the box today and I haven't looked inside. I opened it up, sat down to film this because I am so excited. This is an Etsy Halloween bath product haul. So basically, you guys know I love me a good Lush bath, but I've also learned that Etsy has people who create bath bombs and their version of bubble bars and stuff like that. And I'm so excited for that because, first of all, Lush can get expensive, but I also love supporting small businesses. So sorry if you can hear Louis, he's like pacing around. So let's get into this. As soon as I saw this store, I was like, I have to order from her. So the first thing I got is Area 51 Foaming Sugar Scrub. This has neroli, sandalwood, juniper, and grapefruit. That was Louis, by the way. I'm very intrigued by this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I want to know. So it's like, it almost feels like cream, like shaving cream. I wish there's ingredients. Oh, use before shaving or as a face and body cleanser. Nice. I'm super excited to give this a go. This has like green and blue swirl. The scent on this is perfect. So excited. I, of course, had to get a bath bomb. This is pumpkin spice because I am just that fall kind of girl. So skin safe. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't, I mean, it's a bath bomb. It's fairly easy. You drop it in the water. So it's orange down here, and up here it's kind of a creamy beigey white with little flicks of powder on the top, which kind of looks like this is the like pumpkin spice coffee, and this is the whipped cream or foam, and then this is the pumpkin spice topping. So pretty. Oh, I can't smell anything. Let me see if I can get this open. That smells exactly like a Starbucks pumpkin spice. Like, I'm not even joking, you guys. I'm very excited about this. That smells just like the Starbucks pumpkin spice. She nailed that. Whoa, she nailed that scent. That is amazing. The next one I have is the, what bath bomb is this? Oh, Bloodbath. So of course this is Halloween themed. I'm gonna put pictures on the screen of what it looks like on her shop so you guys get a little bit better idea. I don't know if I'll be able to get this one open. There's a very distinct scent in here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to look up and see if it says the fragrance on this because I recognize this scent. It's like an interesting scent. I'll see if I can put it on the screen. I feel like there's definitely some citrus. Yeah, I don't know what scent that is. Very interesting though. Oh, I see something pretty. Look at this. It is poisoned apple. So it's an apple and it has like the skeleton with the poison dripping down. Poison apple bath bomb, fresh apple scent. Oh, that smells just like apples. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you guys, apples are one of my favorite scents. So at Bath & Body Works, it's like winter candy apple, spiced apple toddy, harvest apple, country apple, like all of their apple scents are some of my absolute all-time faves. This though takes the cake. So this is the most intensely scented apple product I've ever bought in my life. She nailed this. This is so amazing. I can't wait to use it. And look at how thick this is. It is heavy. Like, it is heavy, heavy. Oh, we got the Headless Horseman Vanilla Pumpkin Scented Candle. This is a coconut and soy wax. Let's see, trim wick, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that smells just like Marshmallow Fireside from Bath and Body Works. It has a white wax and it's got the wood wick. And it has the kind of like the pumpkin, what is that side called? Seasoning, spice. I can't think. But yeah, it smells just like Marshmallow Fireside. Amazing. I like the little tin that it comes in. I like to repurpose my candle jars after they're done, and I'm already thinking this would make like on your desk for paper clips and, you know, if you have like push pins, what are they called? Thumbtacks. This would make a nice cute little holder. And last but not least is the most amazing bath bomb I have ever seen in my life. This is called Frog's Breath, and it comes in a glass jar, and I absolutely love the twine with the cork. It's just amazing. And basically what you do is you take off the tag, you run your bath, and then you take the cork out and you just drop the jar in. Obviously not hard, you don't want to break the glass. And it comes out like foaming out of the jar. And on the pictures, it just looked amazing, and I can't wait to try it. I don't know what this scent would be. It smells slightly citrusy, but it's not very strong at all. I feel like out of all the things that we've smelled, this is the like weakest scent. And it doesn't say what the fragrance should be, but I have to say, how freaking cute is this? I almost don't want to use it and just like have it as decoration. I mean, would it be weird to have this sitting in my bathroom all year round? I don't know. Maybe, but I just think it's amazing, and it's also really creative. So one of the things that I want to try to do this year is buy most of my Christmas gifts from small businesses, and because my family is so spread out and we can't get together this year because of COVID, I am slightly more limited to online shopping only, and so that's why I've been spending a lot more time on Etsy, and I just feel like this would make the cutest Christmas gift. I can't wait to see what she comes out with for Christmas, for like her Christmas collection. I'm going to link all of this down below, and I'll link her whole store because her name is Sydney Simpson, and the name of her store is Earthbound Creations. So it's creations plural with an S and then a Z after. And I'm just so happy with this. Like, oh, it's jasmine. This is a jasmine scented. And then Area 51 is rose, geranium, amber, and bergamot. But it's also got the stuff on the front. So neroli, sandalwood, juniper, grapefruit. I knew I smelt the sandalwood. Pumpkin spice. And then the dragon's blood. That's what did this say? Bloodbath? Oh yeah, it just says bloodbath. The dragon's blood bath bomb. Oh, it doesn't say the scent, but it's vegan. So anyways, yeah, I will leave all of this stuff linked down below because I am excited. I'm definitely going to be stalking her shop for the Christmas drop because I'm just so impressed with all of this, and I think these would make beautiful gifts. So if you're looking for Christmas gifts, it's all linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.